All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the knowledge series of Regrop. Today we have Richa with us as for basically the Magna project that we have in Pune East. So I am looking forward to have a very long, good conversation with her because I am myself interested in that property. I look like, that project is something for sure, something amazing it has for sure in the box for the home buyers and the viewers. But before I, ask you about the project, how's everything going on? How are you?
I'm very good. I'm feeling really very, very good. How's you, Charu?
I am good. Thanks for asking. And how long have you been with this project? I mean, how come is your experience?
Been with Kumar from last 4 years, but it with Magna City from last 3 months. I have been with Magna City. Recently, I shifted there and I explored other projects. Meanwhile, mine as well that we are offering right now. That's amazing. We have two configurations basically, 2 and 3 BHK. All
Okay.
right, we have 30 storage ka building. We have recently we just in 2 days we sold 2 units, likewise two proper tower we just sold in two
Oh
days
my God.
recently. Now recently we are just launching the new tower
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and we are selling on that one.
Okay, cool. I am so excited. I'm crossing fingers for expecting a party back from you guys for sure.
Yes.
All right, so let's get into the project. Before we start up just asking about the project, I really want to understand what's the USP of the project. Like, what is it exactly based off?
Okay, so first USP is my location USP. Okay, approximately from upcoming my infrastructure like as metro, ring road, airport, it will take 20 to 30 minutes ka distance. If I'm talking about particular ring road, so that was from my project location, it was 2.4 kilometer distance only. If
Okay.
you're talking about metro, we have two nearby stations. The first is Shivarwadi, the second is at Loni Kalbod. Loni Kalbod at 2.4 kilometer and the Shivarwadi is 500 meters. So
Okay.
there's very nearest plus touch to highway. I'm not
Mhm.
saying there is a particular on highway that
Okay.
far from highway so that you don't get the dust and that the sound noises problem on जो highway पे basically होती है. So
Mhm.
it's a very good location. If I'm talking touch to highway project, your ring road is nearby, your metro is nearby, upcoming Purandar airport is on construction. So that is how much 20 to 30 minutes ka distance from my project.
Okay.
In
Sorted.
meanwhile, you will get schools, you will get retail shops, you will get if I'm talking about that this thing, IT parks,
Mhm.
10 to 15 minutes का distance है the SP Info City मगर पट्टा every IT parks in the Nevra Valley City 10 to 15 minutes का only.
मतलब कनेक्टिविटी भी बहुत अच्छी है, लोकेशन भी बहुत अच्छी है, एंड
Yes.
फिलॉसफी बिहाइंड इट नाउ आई वांट टू नो दैट.
Philosophy behind it like us people, me and you, we are if we are thinking about that manner कि ठीक है we are gonna buy that home, okay, so we can take care of okay rental भी pay करना है, EMI भी pay करना है, so much of the burden plus lifestyle हमारे, right? So Kumar is now coming up with a new scheme, the housing for all. We are providing you the rental scheme, okay. If you yes, if you buy 2 BHK home, we are offering a rental 15K every month for next 3 years.
Oh my God, seriously?
Yes, if you buy 3 BHK, we gonna offer you 20K every month for next 3 years. So basically your EMI part is shorted because at starting
रेंटल,
EMI
हाँ.
जो आता है हमारा वो 10 to 12K का ही होता है, not more than that. Okay. So after your registration, Kumari is paying you 15K का rental every month. So now you only take care about of your EMI only, not your rental part.
अरे बाप रे बाप, ये तो मतलब कुछ अलग ही हो गया, एकदम यूनिक हो गया.
Exactly. That's what my USP is basically. We are giving offering you the bestest location. We are giving you the connectivity. We are taking care of your loan part also. That's
हम्म.
it. The carpet area is very good for 2 BHK, 757 huge square feet with no dead space.
ओ माय गॉड, मतलब मैं लिख लूं, मैं लिटरली नोटबुक लेके बैठ जाऊं कि ये तो मुझे कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला है फॉर श्योर.
Of course, of course.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट द amenities, what kind of that we have?
Yes, we are giving you a two segment amenities. The first is open one, the second one is closed one. Closed one, what I'm talking about? Have you seen the Corinthian Club?
Yes, we have seen that.
That size ka amenities we are offering you 1 lakh plus square feet. We are
Mm-hmm.
offering you the cafes, we are offering you the banquet hall, we are offering you two swimming pools. Huh? The
Oh,
first one is for adults, the second one is for kids.
Okay.
We are offering with every elevated lobby spaces, everything we are offering with the luxurious segment. Okay, this is what I'm talking about the club panorama. Okay,
Okay.
now we have open space amenity where we have 50 plus amenities for playing only. Amphitheater, sitting areas, crossing paths, badminton courts, skatings, everything we have in that open space community area.
आप कुछ छोड़ने वाले हो? मतलब मुझे ये बता दो कोई ऐसा रीजन होने
Not
वाला
at all. This is lifetime opportunity.
है?
Lifetime opportunity. Once in a while आता है और जाता है. Like that.
मैं फोन पहले मिला लूं बाद में कर लूंगी सब कुछ।
Of course, you can come outside, you will see. So basically, recently we have 150 acres का land parcel. तो उस 150 एकड़ पर्टिकुलर में हमने अभी सिर्फ 26 एकड़ में काम स्टार्ट करा है.
ओके।
And recently, in just 2 days, we just sold out the full tower, two tower, and working on that third one.
ग्रेट
But
ग्रेट।
also the what 70 to 75% is sold out.
आई एम क्रॉसिंग फिंगर्स फॉर द थर्ड वन फॉर श्योर। मैं उसमें अपने आप को इन लेके चल रही हूँ, मैनिफेस्टिंग इट।
Of
Okay,
course.
cool. And what about the comparison about the pricings like you just said ना, तो मतलब EMI rental तो अलग हो गया. What about the total in price, like what, like as compared to the other projects that we have in this one?
Okay, I'll tell you about the comparison. Nearby, we have different developers. Okay, they are offering 680, 690, 720, 710, 760 also.
Okay.
Okay, but besides that, their per square feet rate, PSF, the area of the PSF is average is we are just calculating 12,000 square feet. Per square feet is 12,000. What
Okay.
my developer is offering to you due to Shubh Muhurat offer, we are offering you 8585 per square feet, 8,585 per
Okay.
square feet.
For like the same rates?
Yes, yes, yes. So overall is will go around what? 64.99 plus taxes.
Oh my God.
और तो ऑल इन वैल्यू विल बी 72 और 73 जिसमें
Mm-hmm.
हमने आपको रेंटल दिया 5 लाख फॉर रेंटल फॉर 2 BHK
Mm-hmm.
फॉर 3 years इज 5,40,000.
मैं यहाँ पे बम्पर सेल लगवा दूंगी एडिट करते टाइम ना, बता दूंगी।
You have to come and see
Definitely,
what
definitely.
madness we have running over the
I
floor.
am in. I'm definitely in. I'm just coming after the Zoom call. Let me do that. But like I am ended up with the questions. मैंने location पूछ लिया, connectivity पूछ लिया, IT hubs पे चल गया. You said connectivity इतनी अच्छी है कि walking distance पे hospitals and ये सब है. But I just want to know like which kind of IT hubs are we expecting? Hospitals कौन से like cancer or general hospitals, or what about the schools, colleges and everything? वो कौन से आसपास? Is it just a walking distance or how is it?
So basically, recently, if I'm talking about IT parks, so SP Info City,
Okay.
Magarpatta, those are like 15 to 20 minutes distance. If we're talking about the hospitals, then even Sahyadri Hospital. Meanwhile, आपके vicinity, maybe in future, we have opening the hospitals also, the polyclinics also. The third is schools. Recently, just recently, I heard from last past two, there's a school name called British Anglo School, just opened it at in a particular vicinity. From June itself, we are taking they are taking the admissions, and the second Kumar itself is opening a school in the vicinity.
Mm-hmm.
So we are offering everything. Just come and buy. Don't think twice about that.
Definitely. अब जब हम यहाँ तक पहुंच गए, just come and buy. I really want you to advise, like before we end up the video, I want you to give an advice to the home buyers and the viewers, understanding their pain point. Because when you come about the rental plan, मेरे को लगता है कि you actually understand कि उनके लिए घर एक emotion है, which you are serving. तो
Totally, totally,
I
totally.
really want that one piece of advice from you, क्योंकि अगर किसी का mindset बन रहा है ना, and that they have come to this part of the video, like what is that one piece of advice that you would like to give?
ओके बेसिकली घर सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं होता ठीक है घर एक हमारा इमोशन होता है जहाँ हमारे पेरेंट्स रहेंगे जहाँ हमारा फ्यूचर होगा जहाँ हम रहने वाले हैं जहाँ हम हमारी सारी मेमोरीज लाइक केप्ट करने वाले हैं राइट तो वी आर गोना बी बाई कि लाइक ठीक है एक प्रॉपर एयर वेंटिलेशन इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द सनलाइट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वो चीजें होनी चाहिए घर में आपके बिकॉज एक बार घर लेते हैं साल में हर बार हर साल घर हम नहीं लेते हैं. So in that perspective, so thinking about तो come to my site, see the sample flat. ठीक है flat देखो we have the sample flat, we have the proper layout of the flat, even the particular 26 एकड़ का जो हमारा layout है that is also ready. Come and see. If everything like it, a thumbs up, go for it the further.
मतलब रिचा इज एक्चुअली इन कन्वर्टिंग मोड फॉर श्योर, वो दिखा रही है कि मैं क्लोजिंग मैनेजर हूँ और मैं कहीं नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
Actually, that's what this is a confidence that developer is giving me. I
हम्म।
mean, आज के टाइम में कौन इतना ऑफर करता है यार, रेंटल भी दे रहे हो तुम, कारपेट एरिया भी दे रहे हो। इस एरिया में वन ऑफ द, लाइक व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, अ गुड रेंज में कोई प्रोडक्ट है एट दैट पर्टिकुलर कारपेट, दिस इज माइंड, and with so many amenities, if I'm talking about everything rentals we are giving, plus its connectivity is very good, amazing connectivity. So in that sense, the developer is giving me the confidence, okay, ये तो जाएगा, कोई भी लेगा।
मतलब इट्स लाइक कि छोड़ने का कोई चांस ही नहीं है फॉर श्योर।
Not at all, not at all.
How we come to an end of the video. I'll drop down the numbers below so that you guys can just go and check it out for sure. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much, Richa. It was
Thank you,
lovely
Charu.
to you.
Nice. It's nice talking to you.
Same here. Just give me a moment.